Namaste student, and today we are moving on to a new chapter, straight line. I have divided this chapter into three parts, and today we are going to see first part. Yes, at the end of the session, students, you will be able to compute the distance between 2 points, and you may also able to evaluate the area of the triangle and quadrilateral. Yes, let us see what is straight line. Before getting into this, we know what a straight line is a line which joins the 2 points. Yes, let us take this point is B and this point is A. As shown in the diagram. Here A point and this one is a B point. If you join these 2 points, you will get a straight line. And now we will see how to find the distance between these 2 points AB. Yes, how to find means the point A is x1 comma y1. I mentioned here x1 comma y1 means the point A in the xy plane. That what I mentioned it coordinate axis. A is x1 comma and B is x2 comma y2. Yes, to find the distance between A and B, what I did, I had mentioned the blue color line and red color line, right? The blue color lines are parallel to x-axis. It shows the distance of a point A from the y-axis. This distance is nothing but what? x1 distance. And this distance we call it as an x2 distance. And this one is red color line is there, right? This is the line parallel to the y-axis. This distance shows y1. This distance is y1 distance to the point A. And this distance shows y2. Okay? Yes, that's what I mentioned it. While you are extending this line which is passing through the point B, if I am extending the line towards here, what you are getting? You are getting a right angle triangle at the C is having what? Angle 90 degree. Then you can say it is a right angle triangle with the hypotenuse AB. We are going to find the distance between this AB, right? Now this nothing but hypotenuse of the triangle ABC. Yes, if you are having a right angle triangle, what you can do? If you are having a right angle triangle, the most important property we are using again and again is Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. Using that concept only, I have derived the formula of this 2 point. That is the distance between a 2 point A and B is equal to x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. And this is the distance formula. Using this formula, you can able to find the distance between A and B. Yes. And next one I have given you the section formula. What is section? A line joining point A and B is divided at one point P. If the P is a point anywhere on the line, it is not to be here, it is not to be there. Anywhere on the line. Yes, somewhat a point is over here. AB is divided in some ratio. That is, this is one part. When you divide the line, this is one part and this one is the another part. These two are in some ratio, right? The ratio is M1 to M2. Okay, and the point P is but x comma y. So we are going to find the point P where the line AB divided using this section formula. Yes, section formula is P of x comma y is equal to what I given m1 into x plus m2 into x1 whole divided by m1 plus m2 comma the same what the thing we write it for the x coordinate, you have to write it for the coordinate. That what I given m1 comma Now I'm going to replace the point. one y1, this one x1 y1, x2 y2, and this one is x3 y3. Okay, yes. To write the area of the triangle formula, I ask you to remember one thing, that is 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, yes, I will tell you the clue to write the formula. Yes, area of a triangle, excuse me, area of a triangle ABC is equal to what? Of into, first I'm going to write x1. So 1. x1 of, after 1 what you are written here? 2, 3. That is, you can write it as y2 minus y3 plus, and now I'm going to start with 2. So x2 of, here I started with the 2. What is the next? 3, 1. That means y3 minus y1 plus, now I'm going to start with 3. So x3 of, after 3 what is there? 1, 2. x3 of y1 minus y2. And this is the formula of a area of a triangle. Now I'm going to replace all x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3 values over here. So I will get of into x1 is what? 4 of y2 is what? Minus 2 minus of 16, right? So minus 16 plus x2. x2 is 3. 3 of y3 minus y1. That is y3 is 16 minus 4. So we will get 3 of 16 minus 4 plus x3. x3 is minus 3, right? So minus 3 of, what is y1? y1 is 4. 4 and y2 is minus 2. So minus into minus will become plus. Plus 2. Okay, fine. Now 1 by 2 of, if you add minus 2 and minus 16, you will get minus 18. I can write it as 4 of minus 18 plus 3 of 16 minus 4. 16 minus 4 is 12 plus minus 3 of 4 plus 2 is 6. And now you can multiply this 4 and 18, that and all. So 4 into 18 is minus 72 plus 36. 36 is 3 into 12 minus 18. On further simplification, you will get minus 54 by 2. What is minus 54 by 2? You will get minus 27. But this one is the area of the triangle. So area of the triangle is always a positive value. For that we need to take what? Modulus. Okay, so don't use the bracket here. You can use it, but anyhow use the modulus. Okay, fine. So I'm going to change this, all this as a modulus. What is the purpose of modulus? It will change the sign, that is whatever the value sign inside it, you have to take only the magnitude out. So this is nothing but 27 square unit. Okay, please don't write it minus 27. Minus 27 is not a area of a triangle. Area means it should be a positive value. That what I didn't write modulus at the beginning. Okay, fine. Example 4. Find the coordinate of the midpoint of the line segment joining the point A of minus 2 comma 5 and B of 4 comma minus 1. That means we are going to find the midpoint of the line joining the point A of minus 2 comma 5 and B of 4 comma minus 1. Yes. Tell me what is the midpoint? Yeah, midpoint is the point where the line AB is divided equally. That means the distance between this, I am going to take it as M. The distance between AM is equal to the distance between BM. That means the ratio is 1 is to 1. The ratio M1 is to M2 value is what? 1 is to 1. The same section formula only. In the place of M1 and M2, if you write 1 and 1, 1, then your midpoint formula become M of x comma y is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, yes. Now I'm going to replace x1, x2, y1, y2 values. What is x1 here? Minus 2 plus what is x2? 4 whole divided by 2, comma y1 is 5 and y2 is minus 1 by 2. Then minus 2 plus 4 is 2, 2 by 2 is 1, comma 5 minus 1 is 4, 4 by 2 is 2. Therefore, the midpoint m of x comma y is 1 comma 2.